Okay, the last category I want to look at of new ones added to our research tab are some new ones on pharmaceuticals that I heard about in a video by the ETF Guide. So I wanted to look at these additional ways to trade pharmaceuticals. They're both long pharmaceuticals, and then we'll compare them to the one that we looked at last week, which is PPH, to see if one of these is preferable way to trade pharmaceuticals relative to PPH. So we grab a quick drink and we'll take a look at those two additional pharmaceutical ETFs. Okay, so again, in the research tab in our Google sheet, you can see the one we looked at last week, which is PPH. Now we've got these two new ones, XPH, and which is the Spider Pharmaceuticals ETF, and PJP, which is the Invesco Pharmaceuticals ETF. So we can see how those risk-reward profiles compare to PPH. So we can see near term XPH looks a little more attractive. 52-week, it seems to be a little bit more attractive. But from a bottom to top standpoint, PJP seems to have the best risk-reward profile. So you can see their current, risk-reward profiles. Again, all these are pretty high. For all these pharmaceutical ETFs are relatively high right now. We look at the charts and the composition of XPH first. So again, we see, ran up with the GLP-1 type news, see a rejection off that upper trend line, broke down pretty significantly, broke down below the moving average. So headed down, right now. I wish I knew of an ETF to short pharmaceuticals. If anybody knows of one, please share that with us in the comments in our Discord, etc. Looks like this pays a quarterly dividend of about 17 cents or so. It's health technology, heavy health technology. This one's kind of interesting. It's got a different distribution of holdings. So you see it's heavy in this Organon, Catalent, Simobay, and then Lilly. So some of the, large tech, this is probably not a market cap weighted one. You can look at that in their ETF database profile. And then they got Merck, etc., Bristol Myers, Royalty Pharma. So we can see total return, pharmaceutical segment, U.S. total market composite index, pharmaceutical selects industry index. So again, total assets, okay, so, part of pharmaceutical sector in general. Let's look at that PJP. So again, very high, although you see this one didn't suffer that breakdown as XPH did. So again, these seem to have some different behavior, different composition, so it's still trending up. Looks like it's broken out, so got some upside. Looks like it pays a 19-cent quarterly dividend, 20-cent quarterly dividend. Same way health technology. So it's, top holdings are AbbVie, Pfizer, Abbott, Regeneron, Johnson. So very heavy in U.S. Based pharmaceuticals. So that may be potentially the difference in behavior. I think some of the other one may have had some European pharmaceutical companies. So again, this gives you another way to trade different compositions of pharmaceuticals with these various ETFs. So I would highly recommend you look at the holdings, look at the composition, the weighting, etc., to decide which one might be preferable for your trading style and how you'd like to potentially trade pharmaceuticals. This invests 90% total assets in the underlying index. U.S. Pharmaceuticals. So this one is exclusive to U.S. Pharmaceuticals. So that's kind of nice. Gives you, if you want to focus on U.S. Pharmaceuticals, this PJP may be a ETF that you might be interested in. So again, I hope that helps. Now we've got 3 different ETFs that we can trade pharmaceuticals long. Again, I'd love to know when to be able to trade pharmaceuticals short. Once we do see the wind come out or the air come out of the GLP-1 theme, that might be a potential opportunity. So, okay, if anybody has, I know I'm run long, had a lot to cover, additions, please let me know what you think of all of this. If anybody has another ETF or category topic you'd like to discuss in our ETF sheet, I'll quickly go through some and we can talk about some more tomorrow. I think we've talked in general. We talked about energy. Talked about the FANGs. We'll talk about these again tomorrow. We looked at Europe. I've been watching these where the risk-reward profile on the Europe and the DAX and the Nikkei and the yen, watching the risk-reward profiles on those. Again, we talked about gold and silver, so longing silver with AGQ. You can see all the ETFs, again, to trade silver, shorts on semiconductors. So again, long silver, AGQ, leveraged long. We've got silver miners, silver dividends. We're still long SLVO. Probably get a stop underneath that when it becomes profitable and possibly exit that. We talked about solar at risk due to high rates, so I'm staying away from those. We've got single stock ETFs, so you can trade Tesla long or short. I know there's also TSLZ, which we have in our research tab. I know several of our BeachBum traders made some money on the Tesla short. Same way with NVIDIA. We've got the long and short ETFs for NVIDIA, so you can look those up in our ETF sheet as well. We'll talk about wheat tomorrow. We'll also look at, again, the yen and the Nikkei, and that's another potential opportunity that we've been talking about and looking at. So I hope that all helps. I hope you like this content. Welcome, Pawn. Thank you for joining us. Glad to see you here as well. So again, if you have any other questions, any other ETFs you'd like us to do research on as potential candidates to our ETFs Google Sheet, and please put them in the comments to this video, post them in the Discord. Please tag us in the Discord. We're BeachBum Trading, all lowercase, no other characters, numbers, etc. Anyone else is an imposter. Also, we would never DM you asking you for money or to send us crypto or anything like that. So anybody that does is an imposter, and you can let us know and we'll ban them very quickly. But again, we'd love to have you join us in our Discord, and we can carry on these conversations 24/7. Again, we have channels for various topics, commodities, asset classes. So if you have an ETF or a stock you'd like us to take a look at, please let us know in the Discord. Just a reminder, I won't be catching things in other people's chats very much, so please, anything you want us to take a look at, please post it in our Discord, and we'll take a look at that and cover that in another future weekly trading game plan and or a separate video. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.